What's up, people? Doritos and the Lucha Cabra here. And today, we're in a special edition of Doritos and the Lucha Cabra because some of you may have seen that Mrs. Luch got me a 3D printer for Christmas. And some of you may also have seen the neat stuff that I have made with it. Well, not to be outdone or outsmarted, Chip says, I'm going to get a 3D printer too. And so what did he do? He reached out to and said, hey, if Luch has one, Chip needs one. So he gets one. Thanks to the great people at TronXy. But then he opens it up and says, oh crap! And being the technologically inept person that he is, he says, Luch, I can't put this thing together. Can you do it for me?
My bedroom wall. Having a party up next door, but I'm sitting here all alone. Two lovers in the bedroom, and the other starting to shine. Oh my God, it's this blank stare, and candle cloud it all. Destination now, Ruby, 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 Soho. Destination. The marquee, but she will never understand. Once again he's leaving, and she's there with a tear in her eye. Embraces with a warm gesture. It's time to say goodbye. Destination now, Ruby, 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 Soho. Destination now, Ruby, 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 Soho. Ruby's heart ain't beating, 'cause she knows the feeling is gone. She's not the only one admitting there's something wrong. Her lover's in the distance as she wipes a tear from her eye. Ruby's fading out, she disappears, it's time to say goodbye.